What's up, guys? 3 years ago, when the SSG24 was launched, it set a new standard when it comes to airsoft sniping. This standard is gonna change today. Let me introduce you to the Norwich SSG10 system. Today we're actually launching two rifles. To my left with the SSG10A1 in its very simple and iconic M700 style stock, very lightweight rifle.
And of course, I have the SSG10. Yes, well there it is now, fully camoed and ready for game. So you remember last week and the Easter game, I had problems. Well, those mags have been repaired and are working perfectly. Great. Now I'm looking forward to a game this weekend with the SSG10. But why, Dave? Why did you take the SSG10? Because you've got an SSG24. The main reason being the SSG24 is a very heavy gun, and I'm not a young man anymore, and this damn thing's hanging around my neck and giving me neck pains. It's simple as that. SSG10 is very light and very easy to carry, even with the strap around my neck. So yeah, I'm looking forward to having some good games with the SSG10. Player's too close, and I actually got him. A rare sight to be seen. You never really see Lance. But as you can see, the BBs go down and go up, and I'm at a loss. I don't know why it's doing this. This guy's messing around with Connor on our side here. They were shooting at him and he was ducking Connor's BBs, and mine were just going all over the place. Success at last. And then I figured out what the damn problem was. The hop-up was set to 0. Oh my soul. A few more notches up, and suddenly the gun was perfect.
Game over.
And of course, game over. One shot with the SSG10.
How was that one? Huh? No worries. Hey, but how was that one?
You hit me right on the corner.
And they survived.
I did survive.
So there you go. They're good goggles. Now you know.
What rifle is that?
Huh?
What rifle are you?
So SSG10.
Oh, nice.
It.
Does it go well for you?
Huh?
Does it perform well for you?
Yeah. It was good. Have a look. That's what it's all about, airsoft. It's empty at the moment. You've got to rack around Slowly does it. Gentle, like a lady. No, shoot there. Move over. Shoot that thing marked Tim.
Okay.
Go straight over where you are now. Just move over towards that tree.
On the right or left?
Now move over towards that tree over there and look down at that thing marked Tim. Now you're walking towards it now, man. Distance. Yeah, double feed. You've got to get that bolt back on the first try, otherwise you get a double feed. Try again. Yeah. Yep, on top of it. The run cabinet's box here.
So what do I think? Well, SSG10, once you get it working fine, awesome gun. I love it. I really love it. It is nice and light. It's very snappy. I foresee many wonderful games with it. I miss my SSG24, but now it's SSG10 for me. So sadly, my SSG24 is no longer. I've actually sold it. So we'll see you at the field with the SSG10. Cheers, guys.
I think we're done here.